The grilling season is coming soon, and gas grills are the fastest and most convenient way to barbecue. However, when it's time to choose the right gas grill, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 5 best gas grills on the market today. So if you're interested in what gas grill will work best for you, stay tuned. Hi everyone, I'm Ben, and this is ReviewTube. We do all kinds of videos like this for all kinds of different products, all aimed at providing you the selection of the best products, making your decision easier. If this is your first time on this channel and you're looking for more information and details about specific products, then start now by clicking on the subscribe button so you don't miss anything. All the links about the products mentioned in this review will be in the description section below this video. So if you want to find the links where you can find these products at the best prices and more information, click Show More if you are on your PC or the down arrow if you're on your phone. Now let's get into the video. First on our list as best overall, we have the Weber Genesis 2 E310. Weber makes some of the best gas grills on the market. Its long-lasting grills are known for their reliability and quality, and the Weber Genesis 2 E310 is no exception. This stainless steel grill combines the quality construction Weber is known for with the convenience of a wide grilling area, excellent heat retention, and even cooking to give you a superior grilling experience. The most important aspect of any gas grill is its ability to produce and retain heat. If the grill produces high temperatures but can't maintain them consistently, you have to keep the flames burning on high, which usually results in the outside of your meat cooking too long and drying out. Fortunately, the Weber Genesis 2 E310's heat consistency alleviates this potential problem. The Weber Genesis 2 E310 has 3 stainless steel primary burners that cook evenly and efficiently with a total of 37,500 BTU of heat. The grill takes around 8 minutes to reach a preheat temperature of 500 degrees, but because of its construction, it maintains a high temperature using less fuel than other grills. The primary grilling area of the Genesis 2 E310 consists of 2 porcelain-coated cast iron grates with a total 513 square inches of grilling space. There's enough room to place about 24 uncooked 4-inch hamburger patties side by side. This stainless steel grill is sturdily built with a thick gauge steel used in the firebox. The hood is covered with porcelain, which boosts the grill's heat retention. The E310 does not feel flimsy at all. The side shelves are sturdy and there are 3 accessory hooks on each side for your grilling tools. By the way, if you think about another product you would like us to review, go ahead and put it in the comments down below and we'll make it happen. Next on the list as best value, we have the Charbroil 4-burner stainless steel gas grill. The Charbroil Advantage stainless 4-burner is one of the shiniest gas grills on the showroom floor of stores worldwide and is built to stand out and look great while it sits indoors. With a large stainless steel construction and a fairly inexpensive price for the size, there are many benefits to this gas grill. The electronic igniter lights all the burners effortlessly, and the grill heats quickly. It reaches 500 degrees Fahrenheit in an impressive under 3 minutes. The trade-off is somewhat uneven cooking. It tends to overheat in the middle of the grilling area and cooks less effectively on the sides. This is a big barbecue grill with plenty of cooking space. You can fit up to 24 burgers at once on the 480 square inch main cooking area. There is also a spacious side burner for frying up side dishes for a large group. The warming tray holds up to 10 patties. This is a great place to set side dishes like corn on the cob or asparagus as your meat cooks. It also has a side table with plenty of space for salads, condiments, and your cooking tools. Overall, this Charbroil 4-burner is a spacious grill with stainless steel grates that do an average job of locking in heat. However, like other fast heating grills we tested, it doesn't retain heat as well or cook quite as evenly as some of the top-rated gas grills that require a little more patience. Nonetheless, this is a nice affordable grill with plenty of cooking space that effectively cooks all types of meat for large crowds. Next on the list as best portable, we chose the Weber Q2200 grill. In the line of truly portable grills that you can fold up and carry away, this is about as big as you can get. With 280 square inches of grilling space, you should be able to do a lot with this unit. The hood gives enough space to grill a whole chicken or large roast, so it's as versatile as a single burner can be. The shell is cast aluminum and the cooking grates are actually heavy porcelain-coated cast iron. This holds the heat and makes it better than most portable gas grills, which tend to be underpowered. Weber is famed for its even cooking, and the Q2200 delivers well on that for the most part. There are a few hot spots here and there, but nothing too serious. The grill heats up nice and quickly, has no trouble reaching 550 degrees, and it holds the temperature well if you don't open and close the lid too often. The Q isn't as powerful as a standard gas grill, but it is certainly worth looking at in the portable category. Add in the optional griddle section, and this adds even more versatility, and not just for cooking pancakes. The griddle can be used as a searing plate as well. All in all, if you're willing to pay for this portable and don't need it to be very portable, this is a good choice. At 42 pounds, it is pretty heavy. Add fuel, tools, and food, and you won't want to take this very far. But if you want to grill over gas, a unit that fits in most car trunks, then this is a great choice. We would love to hear which one of these amazing gas grills you'd like to get. Put that in the chat box below, and let's see what the majority of the viewers like the most. Next, as best high-end, we chose Weber's Genesis 2 LX S440. The stainless steel Weber Genesis 2 LX S440 features 4 stainless steel high burners with high heat settings that produce 52,000 BTUs of power and a 12,000 BTU side burner. The Genesis 2 LXS series gas grill come fully equipped with 7mm stainless steel cooking grates, stainless steel flavorizer bars, and stainless steel heat deflectors to effectively hold and distribute heat evenly over the 646 square inches of cooking grates. The tuck-away elevations-compatible warming rack provides an additional 198 square inches for a generous 844 square inches of total cooking area. The Genesis 2 LX grills come equipped with a grease management system that makes cleaning up as easy as possible. The stainless steel hood has a center-mounted thermometer to monitor cooking temperatures and has painted cast aluminum tabs. The Genesis 2 LXS series grills are iGrill 3 ready, have lighted control knobs, a handle light, and features an LED fuel gauge on propane gas models. The welded tube frame with enclosed cabinet includes 2 shelves inside the cabinet for storage and 2 side shelves, providing much-needed prep space, and 2 heavy-duty locking casters and 2 large wheels. The grill is mostly pre-assembled, allowing you to start grilling right away. The propane tank is stored to the side, freeing up the shelf space under the grill, and has a tank shield that keeps the tank out of view. 3 convenient built-in tools hooks keep your barbecue tools nearby. To finish our list, we have the bestseller Blackstone 36-inch gas grill griddle station. Among other choices available out there, the Blackstone 36-inch propane gas grill can be a good solution for you who need a piece of cooking equipment for backyard cooking with family and friends. Currently being sold for less than $300, the price is very reasonable for what it provides. Before anything else, the griddle has a 36-inch by 21-inch, 756 square inches cooking surface, allowing you to cook for a bunch of people. Definitely, it is a good size to handle a party or an outdoor event. Many reviewers have been pleased with its versatility. Unlike the 28-inch model, this one comes equipped with 4 independently controlled burners, meaning it provides 4 cooking zones. Just like a regular stove, you can turn one on or all of the burners, allowing you to cook small or cook big. The top is made of thick, cold rolled steel for good heat retention. The griddle top is removable, making it very easy to clean. All in all, the 36-inch Blackstone cooking station is a solid, versatile piece of cooking equipment. With a flat top surface, this probably is not the model for you who want burned, real barbecue taste. That said, if you love to cook outside, then this product is worth considering. The price is agreeable to the majority. From all these products, about 80% of the people have chosen the Blackstone grill and bought it from Amazon. And we have put a link to that product in the description below so you can check it out. That would be all for this video. Thanks for watching and hope you liked it. And if you did, please go ahead and give us a like. If you're new to the channel and you like it, please consider to subscribe. We also do all kinds of videos like this for all kinds of different products, all aimed at providing you the selection of the best products, making your decision easier. Please let us know which of the products from this selection you liked and why. Also, if we missed a product that you think is missing in this list, or you would like for us to make a review of some other products, put it in the comments section below. As always, all the links about the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below, so if you want to find the best prices and more information that we might not get a chance to mention in the video, be sure to check them out.